How to fix WhatsApp status not uploading issue. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp status not uploading. To fix your WhatsApp status not uploading, if you're trying to upload it, then you want to simply force close the application quickly and then reopen it again. Now also make sure to check your internet connection, make sure it's not slow or laggy and that there is no internet connection issue. So once you have made sure the connection issue is not there, if you're using cellular data, toggle on and off your airplane mode multiple times to fix the issue quickly. Now then you can proceed to open up WhatsApp. Try and send text and see if the text is being sent. Then that way you'll be able to cut out completely the internet issue. Head over to the status tab and proceed to select add status. Now make sure that your media falls within this supported format limits that you're trying to upload. And also sometimes it can be a simple glitch or a bug. In that case, what you can do is on iPhone, you can head into storage and data. From here, you can see manage storage option and you can proceed to clear the cache or unnecessary here. Now you can also reinstall the application. However, make sure to back up the chat. If you're using Android, you can clear the cache from your settings. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.